Hi everyone, it's Maria here with today's Slice of Insight. This is about helping you determine who is the hero of your story. We all know that a good story, a good plot line, starts with a protagonist, a hero. And the same is true of all your communications and your messaging around your work and your business. Are you making yourself the hero of your story, or are you doing the right thing and making your customer, your client, your audience, your fan, your reader, or your donor, if you're a nonprofit, the hero of your story? And what I mean by that is do an audit of your website messaging, of your videos, of any content that you create, your blog, and make sure that when you're talking about things, you are giving value from their point of view. What are the benefits that you provide that they want to get? We see a lot of websites, a lot of content, a lot of brand stories out there who are really just all about us, right? I sell, I provide, I offer. Big companies do this and solopreneurs. It's a mistake that's commonly made. So think about a classic fairy tale like Cinderella. It's called Cinderella for a reason. It's not called The Charming Prince because the story is not about him. It's about her and what she wants and what she gets at the end of the story. So really do some deep diving on your messaging and make sure that you're communicating the value that someone gets from what you offer. There's a time and a place to talk about your experience and your credentials and your awards and why you're so great, but let's not lead with that. Make the story about your audience, and then hopefully you can have a happily ever after. If you enjoyed this slice of insight, please like this video, share it, and please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more goodness to come. Take care.